Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the creative and expressive world of art inspired outfits. If you love fashion and that makes a statement and draws inspiration from the world of art, this video is for you. Art inspired fashion is all about bold colors, unique patterns, and innovative designs that bring the canvas to life on the runway or the street. Whether you're an art lover, an artist yourself, or primarily someone who enjoys pushing the boundaries of style, these outfits will inspire you to embrace your inner creativity. Art outfits often start with bold prints that resemble the strokes of the painter's brush. These prints can range from abstract designs to more structured patterns inspired by famous works of art. Dresses, tops, and even pants featuring bold brush stroke prints are perfect for making a statement. Pair them with simple accessories to let the artwork speak for itself. Go all out with matching pieces of a head to toe artistic look. Pop art with its vibrant colors and iconic imagery is a perfect source of inspiration for fashion. Think of outfits featuring comic book graphics, bold text, or even pieces that incorporate images of famous pop art icons like Marilyn Monroe or Campbell soap cans. A pop art inspired outfit is fun and playful and always eye-catching. Pair a pop-art dress with that brings heels or sneakers, and don't forget some statement accessories to complete the look. For a softer, more romantic take on art-inspired fashion, look to watercolor prints. These prints often feature dreamy, blurred edges and soft washes of color that mimic the detailed flowing of watercolor print. Watercolor inspired outfits are perfect for spring and summer, offering a whimsical and ethereal vibe. Pair a watercolor dress with delicate jewelry and strappy sandals for a look that's both artistic and elegant. The iconic works of Pete Mondrian, with their geometric shapes and primary colors, have long been an inspiration in the fashion world. Outfits that draws on this aesthetic feature bold blocks of color and clean lines, whether it's a dress or blouse or even a handbag. Mondrian inspired fashion is timeless and sophisticated. Pair these pieces with minimalist accessories and neutral shoes to let the outfit's design take center stage. Surrealism, with its dreamlike and often bizarre imagery, offers endless inspiration for fashion. Surrealist inspired outfits might feature unexpected details like a blouse with a melting clock print or a dress adorned with surreal, otherworldly landscapes. These outfits are perfect for those who love to stand out and make a statement with their style. An outfit inspired by an artist's palette can be a celebration of color. Think of a dress or top that combines a wide array of colors, much like a painter's palette filled with different paints. These outfits are variant, vibrant, joyful, and perfect for those who love to play with colors in their wardrobe. Balance the boldness with neutral accessories or go all out with colorful shoes and bags to create a cohesive artistic look. High fashion often treats garments as canvases for arts. Couture pieces that feature hand painted designs, intricate embroidery, or unique textures can transform an outfit into a work of art. These pieces are often one of a kind and perfect for special occasions where you want to make a lasting impression. Pair these artistic couture pieces with understated accessories to keep the focus on the garment itself. College art, with its mix of different textures, patterns, and images, can be a great source of inspiration for outfits. Look for a piece that combines different fabrics or prints, creating a patchwork effect. These outfits are visually interesting and often tell a story through their design. Pair a college inspired top with simple jeans or a skirt to keep the focus on the art, or embrace the theme fully with matching college accessories. For a more urban, edgy take on art inspired fashion, graffiti and street art often play of plenty of inspiration. Think of outfits feature bold graffiti style graphics, splashes of spray paint, or even pieces that mimics the texture of brick wall. Thank you so much for tuning into Lena Fashion and Beauty. From Van Gogh's Starry Night to Warhol's Marilyn Monroe, famous works of an art can be directly translated into fashion. Look for pieces that feature prints of famous paintings or outfits that mimic the color schemes and techniques of well-known artists. And there you have it, 20 inspired outfits ideas to bring a little creativity into your wardrobe. Whether you're a fan of wall prints, minimalist designs, or something in between. Thank you so much for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be afraid to experiment with and incorporate elements of the world around you into your fashion choices. Bye for now.